Hey Arpita, good morning. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I am fine.
Great, great. Can we start then?
Yes, sir.
Okay, can you please go ahead with your introduction?
Hello, sir. My name is Arpita Yoki, and recently I completed MCA in 2024 from ISEC University, Hazaribagh, Jharkhand, and also I have 3 year experience in software quality assurance. 2 year I started my career in Dallas International. And after that, I moved to Digital Partners, and I'm working in this company within 1 year. And my roles and responsibility in this company, like I created a test cases, writing a test cases, and handling Jira tool, defect tracking and report, defect tracking report. After that, I perform a automation testing by using Selenium, Java, and by using a framework like Maven, TestNG, Cucumber, etc. Thank you. That's all about myself.
Good, good. Nice to hear this. All right, so which Java version have you used for your automation?
17.
17. Okay, great. Can you please explain me in detail about the OOPS concepts?
Yes, sir. OOPS is divided into 4 parts. First is inheritance. Inheritance is also known as a relationship, is a parent-child relationship. In this in this child class extend all the properties from his parent class by the extend keyword. Inheritance divided into 5 type: multi a single multiple single multi-level multiple hierarchy, single multiple multi-level hierarchy, and one is I don't know. And second is polymorphism. Polymorphism is stand for one action performed in a many ways. Poly is stand for many, and morphism is stand for ways. Polymorphism is divided into 2 parts. First is compile time polymorphism, and second is runtime polymorphism. In compile time polymorphism is also known as a method overloading polymorphism. In a method overloading polymorphism, we have in method overloading polymorphism, we have a name with different parameter. And in runtime polymorphism is also known as a method overriding polymorphism. Method overriding polymorphism have same name with same parameters, like whenever child class doesn't want the implementation which is given by the parent class, then and child class wants his own implementation, then we use the method overriding. After that, I moved to abstraction class. In abstraction class we don't show. In abstraction class we show only the functionality, and by in abstraction class we achieve the abstraction 0 to 100%. And in abstraction class we don't create the object because it is incomplete. And after that I moved to encapsulation. Encapsulation is a by the encapsulation we are hide the data and wrap the data. And it is divided into 2 parts: getter and setter. Getter is a read only method, and setter is a write only method.
Okay, good. All right, so yeah, what is the difference between method overloading and method overriding in Java?
So method overloading and method overriding both are in polymorphism type. Like method in a method overloading we have a compile time, and in a method overriding we have like runtime. In a method overloading, in method overloading we have same name with same parameter, and in method overriding we have same in method over in method overriding we have same name with different parameter, and in method overriding we have same name with same parameter.
Okay, okay, fine. So if can we overload the static? Can we override the static method?
No, sir. It is a
Wha-
constant method.
Okay, okay, fine. What is the difference between upcasting and downcasting in Java?
Upcasting and downcasting is a type of a conversion. In upcasting, we cast parent class to the child class, and in downcasting, we cast child class to the parent class.
So what is the need of the upcasting and downcasting? Why we are using the upcasting, downcasting?
For the conversion,
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is meant by the private constructor in Java?
private constructor. Private constructor is defined in a Java compiler. In private constructor, we can construct within a class. In private constructor, we construct within the class, and it is constructed by the private access modifier.
Mm-hmm. What does it mean? What is the use of the private constructor? Why we are using the private constructor?
We are using the private constructor uh, to private your data.
Are you sure about this?
Uh, no, sir.
No problem. No problem. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me the difference between final, finally, and finalize?
Yes, sir. Final keyword, like use in final keyword, we are restrict the user, and finally keyword, in finally keyword, we have to execute the important line of code, and in finalize, we have a garbage, we has an object of a garbage collection, and like and in final connect in final value is a constant value, it cannot be changed, and finalize value used in a try catch exception, used with a try catch exception, and finalize is a type of a object.
Mm-hmm. Are you sure about this?
For what?
Finalize is a type of the object.
I i don't know, sir, actually.
Okay, nobody, nobody. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me the difference between string, string buffer, and string builder class?
uh, string string is actually immutable class, and string buffer and string builder is a mutable class. The main difference is string buffer is a synchronized, and string builder is non-synchronized.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. Apart from it, any other differences?
I don't remember, sir, apart from this differences.
Nobody, nobody. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between throw and throws in Java?
Throw keyword is used to throw the exception, and throws keyword is used to handle the exception.
Mm-hmm. But what is the other differences?
Throws keyword is used with the thread dot slip, like handle the thread dot slip type of a.
Are you sure about this?
Mm, no, sir, actually.
Okay, no problem. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between okay, what is meant by the wrapper classes in Java?
Whenever you want whenever you want to create object in a wrapper classes, it contain a field, and uh, this field contain a wrapper classes. By the wrapper classes, we can wrapped object. Wrapper classes is divided into two part. First is auto boxing, and second is unboxing. In auto boxing, like we convert the wrapper class to the primitive data primitive data type. We convert the wrapper class to primitive data type, like int to integer, and in unboxing we converting the in auto boxing we converting the primitive data type to the wrapper class, like int to integer, and unboxing we converting the wrapper class object to the primitive data type, like integer to int.
Okay. Okay. Fine. Uh, okay. Fine. So, can you please tell me what is mean by the, what is the difference between list and set?
List and set. Okay. like Both are used to store the data, and list uh, in list we can store we can store one and multiple null value, and in set we can't store any we can't store null value, and
Mm-hmm.
and in in list we can store the duplicate value, and in set we can't store the duplicate value, and like that's only from my side, sir.
Mm-hmm. We don't have another differences?
uh, I don't remember that thing.
No worry. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between array list and linked list in Java?
Array list is act as a list, and linked list is act as a DQ, and list. Array list is uh, used a doubly linked list, and doubly linked list, and linked list is used. Linked list is used like linked list is used. Linked list is used to store. Uh, Array list is used as a dynamic list, and linked list is used as a doubly linked list. And array list access the memory access is less, and linked list memory access is more than array list. And after that, array list is array list process array list process is fast, and linked list process is less than array list.
Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me what is the difference between hash map and hash table in Java?
Hash map and hash table in Java both are the type of map, and in has map and hash table. Hash map is non-synchronized, and hash table is synchronized. And after that, hash map, and after that, hash map. Has map access memory is access access the low memory less memory, and has table access the high memory to the has set has map and
Okay, no worry. Let me move ahead. Um, can you please tell me what is the difference between find element and find elements?
yes sir. Find element used to find element is used to find element is a use like wait a minute sir. Find element is used to access the elements from the web pages, and whenever it doesn't access any element, then they so the no such element is found. And in find elements is used to access the list of the web element. And whenever the find element doesn't access the any element, then the show the list of element, I think.
Are you sure about this?
For the find element I am sure, but in find elements I am not sure.
Okay, no worry. Let me move ahead. What kind of locators do we have in Selenium WebDriver?
We have 8 type of a locator: id, name, css selector, link test, partially link test, and tag name, expert, and selector css id, name, link test, partial link test, css selector, css selector, class name, expert, and to tag name, and one is I can't recall.
Okay, no problem. What is meant by the XPath?
Expert is a XML type of a locator. It is divided into 2 part. Like first is absolute expert and relative expert. Uh, absolute expert, the absolute expert is is absolute expert is uh, absolute expert we can write from a root node, and it is not recommendable from because of the root node. Whenever you want to access, whenever you want to write a absolute expert, and you want to access, then if any change from the developer side in this expert, our expert is totally wrong then. And in relative expert is a like in relative expert it is a small type of a expert. And in relative expert we write a like we doesn't use the root node, and we write a small type of a we write by the double forward. We started from the double forward slash, and also it started from the HTML DOM structure.
Mm-hmm. Okay, all right, fine. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the, okay. Can you please tell me what is the difference between get window handle and get window handles?
Get window handle and get window handle both are used to both are used to handle the multiple windows. And get window handle is used to get a unique ID for the handle the current window, and and it's return the list of the string. And get window handles is used to get a unique ID for the all the windows are open. All the windows are open by the driver, and its return is value of a set.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the, okay. So what is the if you want to, automate the drop down, how we can automate the drop down?
uh, by the all select and select by the visible text, select by the index, and select by the visible text, select by the index, this type of like select all value.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me what is meant by the, okay. So, if you want to, um, what I mean to say, uh, what kind of weights do we have in Selenium WebDriver?
We have a two type of a weight, like first is a dynamic weight and second is a first is a static weight and second is a dynamic weight. In static weight, we use a thread dot sleep, and thread dot sleep is belongs to the static weight. Whenever static weight stop the execution of the test script, and test script for the specific time, for the specific time whenever your element your element is located, or whenever your element is located or not. And dynamic wait for we by the dynamic weight we outcome, Selenium provided two type of a weight, like first is a implicit weight and second is a explicit weight. In explicit weight is applied for all the element, and implicit weight is applied for all the web element, like. And in in the by the implicit weight we can apply the specific time of the element, a specific time, in the implicit weight we can apply a specific time of a weight before it throw before it throw no such element is found. And in explicit weight, we tell to the driver to wait for a maximum time and condition. And in this weight, written like element are not visible, and it is applied, and explicit weight is applied for a specific element.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me what is mean by the, okay, fine. So, what is the Maven build life cycle do we have?
We have a 7 Maven bolt life cycle. Bolt clean, bolt and clean compile, bolt clean compile, validate, verify, verify, and after that test. And one is like bolt clean compile, validate, verify, test, and one is I don't remember it.
Mm-hmm. Okay, no worry. So, what are the, test-ng annotations do we have?
Like test ng annotation, first is before suit, before suit, before test, before class, before method, and after that at the rate test, and after that at the rate after method, after suit, after test, and after class.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me what is mean by the, if you want to run the single test case multiple time, how we have to run in Selenium? Sorry, in the test-ng.
Invocational count and
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me what are the listeners do we have in test-ng?
I suit listeners, I test listeners, and I annotations listeners.
Mm-hmm. 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 Okay, fine. No worry. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is the difference between put and post?
Post is created a data, and put is also Put is used to update and also used to created.
Mm-hmm. Okay, fine. So, can you please tell me if we are trying to, if we have already data and we still trying to create an new data over there, like with the help of the post, what will happen?
With the help of the post.
So you use the post method and you pass the data Arpita Chuki. Server is gonna resource is gonna create over the server. Again, you are using the same data with an post method. What will happen? What kind of error basically will received?
I don't know, sir. I don't remember this answer.
Mhm. No worry. Let me move ahead. Can you please tell me what is mean by the uh, so you use Git for your version control system, right?
Yes, sir.
How we can create a new branch?
Uh, Git branch and branch name.
Git branch name. Mm-hmm. Okay. Okay,
Okay.
right. So can you please tell me what are the, cycles do we have? Like if you are, writing down the code, so usually what kind of commands basically you are gonna use? How flow basically you are having?
Sir, repeat the question. Actually, I don't
So
understand the question.
usually you in day to day you are, writing down your code, right? You are so what is the flow basically you have? Like if you are writing down the code to, till push the code to till raise the PR, what is the flow basically do you have?
To push the code in Git.
No, no, no. Once you started your day, right, and now
Yes,
you
sir.
have to do the automation. So what is the basic command, git command, on day to day basis you are using? What is the flow basically you are having?
Git command like by the Git init we initialize the
No, no, no,
uh,
every time you are not initialize the git, right? What I'm saying, you started your day, now you have to work, you have to do the automation. So what commands basically on day to day basis you are using?
my day to day work like now. Firstly, when I started my work, uh, analyzed the requirement. I analyzed the requirement, and after that, which tasks are pending, which test case are pending. I'm trying to execute the test cases, and after that, I attend the agile
No,
ceremonies
no.
like
Yeah, you are not listening my question properly. What I'm saying, you have to do automation, right?
yes
You
sir.
have to do the automation. So in automation, what the git command day to day basis you are using?
Sir, actually I don't know the answer of this question.
All right, let me move ahead. Okay, anyways, I think that's all from my side. Let me stop the recording.
Okay sir.